I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of the apartment block behind us and show you guys what you can get for a million Australian dollars right here in Sydney. This is Cassandra, a mixed new place that they just got. As you guys know, they've just moved into Sydney. So I'm going to take you guys with me and show you. This is a prime location. That why it's so expensive. You have the metro station right here. You've got this area, if you just throw the camera around a little bit to the side here, where they have play areas for children, shopping malls, new development going on. There's more shopping malls the other side, and there's restaurants and everything. So it's a beautiful location. So come with me and let me guys show you. Their apartment is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, beautiful living area. And if you can see at the very top, you have the apartments with the massive balcony that looks all over the city. That is one of theirs. So let's go have a look. Let's start the apartment tour. So like we said, this is on the 15th floor in Castle Hill. As you walk through the door, the first room on your right is the bathroom. So we can come and have a look inside. You can see lots of nice light, really nicely bright. Got a massive shower, tiles on the floor, tiles on the wall, and then obviously a toilet and a pretty big bath. Then from there, if you follow me, we will enter in the room that me and Kayla are sharing. And it's amazing. There's so much natural lighting around this whole apartment. It is amazing. They have blinds that go all the way around, floor to ceiling windows, so it's really nice. When the sun rises, it lights the whole place up, and it's just really stunning. Carpets on the floor. These carpets are so nice because they're really like nice, soft and spongy. But then from there, if you follow me, we'll go down the passage, we'll then take you to the other room and the main living area. White, greyish tiles all the way through the whole apartment. And then this is the main living area. You have our dining room table here with 6 chairs onto the gigantic TV, the couch, everything really nice living area. Let's make our way into the main room now. This is obviously where Cassandra and Mick stay. Once again, carpets on the floor to ceiling windows. Again, lets in tons of natural light. There's also blinds, roller blinds that you can go down and up. Really nice size room. We come in here, another bathroom, extractor fan, massive shower. This one doesn't have a bath though, the other one does, but really nice. And then from there we can make our way into the kitchen, and as you can see, really nice granite counters and backboards, really lovely with all the white finishes. And yeah, that's pretty much the kitchen. They've got all their appliances, all their nice touches, and then a plant that is struggling right now, but it can get lettuce and everything from there. But the one thing that I think is the main selling point on this apartment, and you put my sunglasses on, because we're going to make our way outside, and I think you'll see why. So this isn't just like any other apartment. You guys can see that the outside area is absolutely massive. We'll come back to show you guys. You have the Sydney CBD straight down there in the distance. You have Parramatta down there, and that's pretty much all I've learned, what Cassandra's told me. But if you just take a swing around and you have a look, the whole bottom level is the apartment with all the rooms, the lounge, and the views you get is incredible. So like they said, New Year's Eve, this is where the party's going to be at. We can bring all 3 of our friends to make up this whole entire area and have a party. But it's boiling hot outside. So we can stay back indoors. Like we said, Sydney is the most expensive area and city in Australia. So prices for apartments, houses, and everything are sky high because, as we say, it's a supply-demand relationship. And when the demand is high, they can charge whatever they pretty much want. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know some people were asking for it, so I really wanted to show you guys. Super proud of Cassandra and Mick for all their hard work, coming here, living here, thriving, and just doing so well for themselves. Makes us super proud, makes us want to work harder and do better. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals.